Today I'm cooking simple stir-fried eggplants for dinner. It is quick and very delicious. This recipe is for 3 to 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 650 grams of green brinjal or eggplant, washed, 1 stalk of spring onion, cut into 1-inch length, with white stem and leaves separated, 100 grams of minced pork or minced chicken, 2 tablespoons of dry shrimp, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, 1.5 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 3 tablespoons of garlic oil, and 100 ml of water. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Put dry shrimp in the heat-resistant bowl, add 100 ml of hot water, and leave it to soak for 2 minutes. Once it has soaked, give it a wash. Next, chop all the dry shrimp into small pieces and leave it aside. Then cut the eggplant. I have a basin filled with water here. Remove the stems and cut it into half. And half again. Now cut each of the half into rectangular shape like this. Once cut, immediately soak the eggplants in water. This will reduce the oxidation rate so the eggplant pieces will not turn darker after a while. All the eggplants have been cut. Let's go and cook it. Switch on the heat. Add 3 tablespoons of garlic oil. Put in all the chopped dry shrimp. Give it a stir and cook for about 1.5 minutes. Alright, all dry shrimps are cooked. Remove from the pan and leave it aside. In the same pan, add in the minced meat. Stir fry to cook for 10 to 15 seconds. As the oil is really hot, the meat has changed color and is no longer red. Add in the light soy sauce. Stir to mix. Add in 1/3 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic and stir to mix. Now add in the white stems of spring onions and stir to mix. All of the eggplants. Give it a mix until well combined. Add in the seasoning, sesame oil, oyster sauce, and 1/3 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic. Stir and mix until eggplants and seasoning are well combined. Add in 100 ml of water. Give it a mix until well combined. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Make sure to stir in between to evenly cook them. After 15 minutes, the brinjal is cooked and has become soft. Let's give it a taste. Wow, perfect! At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already delicious. Switch off the heat. Next, add in 2/3 of fried dry shrimp, cut spring onions, and the balance of crispy fried garlic. Mix again until well combined. Now I can dish out to garnish. Top it with fried shrimp and spring onions, and the simple stir-fried eggplant is ready to be served. Let's eat! It's very delicious and flavorful. The eggplants are soft and smooth, and they goes well with fried shrimp and the rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!